Hi everyone, welcome to Essential Excel Skills on a Time Budget, Formatting Data as a Table. My name is Jaleesa Doney and I'm the Social Sciences Librarian at the University of Idaho Library. In this video, we are going to discuss formatting data as a table within Excel. Formatting data as a table provides the same filter options discussed in the filtering data video, but also adds style elements to your sheet. To format the data in a sheet as a table, highlight all of your data by long-clicking in cell A1 and dragging to the end of your data. Then navigate to the Home tab and the Style section and click the Format as Table icon. Select the table style you want to use or click New Table Style to create your own. Confirm that the Where is the data for your table box includes your entire data range. And if your table has headers, make sure that the My Table Has Headers box is checked. If you don't have headers within your sheet, Excel will automatically add a header row with default column names. Then click OK. Each column now has filter options, and the data in your sheet is formatted based on your selected table style. To edit the design elements in your table, navigate to the New Design tab, where you can change the colors of your table within the Table Style section, as well as change the table style options. To convert your formatted table back to a regular Excel sheet, navigate to the Design tab and the Tools section, and click the Convert to Range icon. Click Yes to convert this table back to a regular Excel sheet. Converting back to a range removes the filtering options, but it still kept the style elements. If you want to remove those as well, long-click in cell A1, highlight all of your data, navigate to the Home tab and the Font section, click the Fill icon, and say No Fill. Thank you for watching Formatting Data as a Table. Be sure to check out our other Essential Excel Skills videos.